Theravada collection on monastic law, a translation of the Pali Vinaya Pitaka into English, translated by Bhikkhu Brahmali. The settling of legal issues. Venerables, these 7 principles for the settling of legal issues come up for recitation. For the settling and resolving of legal issues, whenever they arise, there is resolution face-to-face to be applied, resolution through recollection to be granted, resolution because of past insanity to be granted, acting according to what has been admitted, majority decision, further penalty, covering over as if with grass. Venerables, the 7 principles for the settling of legal issues have been recited. In regard to this, I ask you, are you pure in this? A second time I ask, are you pure in this? A third time I ask, are you pure in this? You are pure in this and therefore silent. I'll remember it thus. The 7 principles for the settling of legal issues are finished. Venerables, the introduction has been recited. The 4 rules on expulsion have been recited. The 13 rules on suspension have been recited. The 2 undetermined rules have been recited. The 30 rules on relinquishment and confession have been recited. The 92 rules on confession have been recited. The 4 rules on acknowledgement have been recited. The rules to be trained in have been recited. The 7 principles for the settling of legal issues have been recited. This much has come down and is included in the monastic code of the Buddha and comes up for recitation every half-month. In regard to this, everyone should train in unity, in concord, without dispute. The great analysis is finished.